Before buying a nail care kit, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it.
Product number 1, Coastless C40 Electric Nail Drill. First up is the Coastless C40 Electric Nail Drill. Priced at just $12.99, this nail drill really caught my attention with its promise of being beginner-friendly. If you want an easy way to polish or remove acrylic, gel, or dip powder nails, this is worth a serious look. Now, here's why this product solves your problem. The Coastless C40 features adjustable speeds and 6 different drill bits, making it versatile for any nail care routine. This means you can precisely control the speed depending on whether you're working on thick nails or delicate cuticles. Plus, it's designed to be lightweight and compact, so it's easy to hold and maneuver, which is super important for beginners who might still be developing their technique. It's also low noise and low heat, which is a nice touch when you're just starting out. Now, some people complained about the drill being a bit underpowered for professional use. Here's the thing though, if you're just starting out, this isn't a deal breaker. It's perfect for home use and for getting the hang of things. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner, looking to try your hand at nail art without investing a ton of money. Skip this one if you're looking for something heavy-duty for a salon setting. For the price, it's a solid value. Now, if you're worried about the power of the C40, this next one might be exactly what you need.
Product number 2, Ahatopia Nail File and Buffer Set. Next up is the Ahatopia Nail File and Buffer Set, priced at just $5.99. This caught my eye because of its all-in-one convenience for nail care. If you want a simple yet effective way to keep your nails in check, this is absolutely worth considering. Here's the deal. This kit comes with 10 emery board nail files and 2 4-way buffers, offering you everything you need to shape, smooth, buff, and polish your nails. The 4 sides of the buffer make it easy to achieve a glossy finish without any hassle. The different grits available mean you can handle both natural and acrylic nails effortlessly. Plus, with over 20,000 units sold in the past month, it seems like a lot of people are happy with it. Now, some users mentioned that the files wear out quicker than expected. I get it, but here's the thing. At this price point, you're getting a good amount of files that you can replace easily without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you want a quick, effective solution for maintaining your nails, especially if you're traveling. Skip this one if you want something more long-lasting. For under $6, it's a steal. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a complete cuticle care experience.
Product number 3, Morgul's Nail File and Buffer Block Set. Coming in third is the Morgul's Nail File and Buffer Block Set, retailing at $8.09. This one caught my attention because it offers a full cuticle care package. If you want to take your nail game to the next level, this is worth considering. The Morgul's kit includes a milk and honey cuticle oil, various nail files, and tools for trimming cuticles. The cuticle oil is fantastic for keeping your nails hydrated, reducing brittleness, which is something that many beginners struggle with. The high-quality files and buffers are durable and effective, ensuring you can shape and smooth your nails without worrying about damaging them. The inclusion of a cuticle nipper and pusher is a huge plus for achieving a professional look at home. However, some users found the cuticle tools a bit sharp, which can be intimidating for beginners. But here's the thing, with a little practice, you'll be able to use them safely and effectively. This is perfect for you if you're serious about nail care and want.
Product number 4, Min King Manicure Set. Next, let's talk about the Min King Manicure Set, which is priced at $9.98. What intrigued me here is the sheer number of tools included, 26 in total. If you want a complete kit that covers all bases, this is one to check out. This professional-grade kit includes everything from nail clippers to tools for facial and foot care, making it multifunctional. The stainless steel material is known for its durability and sharpness, so you're getting quality tools that last. For beginners, having a variety of tools means you can explore different areas of nail care without needing to buy multiple sets. It's designed for lifetime use, which is a huge plus. Some users mentioned that the case could be a bit bulky for travel, but here's the thing. If you value having everything in one place and don't mind the size, it's totally worth it.
This is perfect for you if you want a comprehensive kit that covers not just nails, but also general grooming. Skip this if you just need a simple nail file. For under $10, it's a fantastic buy. Now, if you're after a more portable option, the next one on my list might be right up your alley.
Product number 5, Coastless C20 Cordless Nail Drill, which comes in at $19.99. This one really caught my eye with its promise of being portable and easy to use. If you want a professional tool that can go anywhere, this is definitely worth a look. The C20 is cordless and lightweight, making it incredibly user-friendly for beginners. It features adjustable speeds and can even be used while charging, which is perfect for those busy moments when you can't sit still. The low heat and quiet operation are great for a pleasant experience, especially if you're new to using nail drills. Plus, it comes with multiple drill bits to customize your nail care routine. However, some users pointed out that it may not have enough power for heavy-duty work. But honestly, for beginners, this isn't a deal breaker. It's perfect for learning and refining your skills. This is ideal for you if you love the idea of doing your nails on the go without being tethered to an outlet. Skip this one if you need something for professional salon use. For the versatility and ease of use, it's a solid investment.
To wrap it up, we've covered the Cosless C40 electric nail drill for beginners, the Ahatopia nail file and buffer set for convenience, the Morgless set for cuticle care, the Minkinged manicure set for comprehensive tools, and finally, the Cosless C20 cordless nail drill for portability. Each of these kits offers something unique to fit your nail care needs as a beginner.